If you often forget your iPhone while it's charging, here's a useful trick to get a notification when your battery is fully charged. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap Automation, then select Create Personal Automation. Now scroll down and choose Battery Level. Drag the slider all the way to 100% so the automation triggers when your battery is fully charged. Then you will see an option called Run Immediately. Select it so the automation runs automatically without asking you every time. On my screen, you may not see this exact option because I'm using an older iOS version. However, on your device, if you're using a newer iOS version, you will definitely see it. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step with screenshots so you can easily follow along. Now tap Next and choose the action Speak Text. In the text box, type something like iPhone is fully charged or any custom message you prefer. Tap Done to save the automation. Now, whenever your iPhone reaches 100% battery, it will automatically speak your message out loud. This is really helpful so you don't overcharge your phone or forget it on the charger. And that's how you can set up a full battery notification on iPhone using automation.